Everyone, and welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to walk you through how to do Venmo transfer in 2025. That is how to send a Venmo transfer in 2025. Venmo remains one of the most popular peer-to-peer payment apps in the US, offering quick and easy money transfers. So here's how to send the money via Venmo in 2025, including the fees, the limits, and troubleshooting tips. Step 1, you have to set up your Venmo account if you don't have one. You download the Venmo app, iOS or Android, and sign up with a US phone number, email, and legal name. Next, you have to verify your identity, which is required for higher limits. So provide a US driver's license or government ID and confirm your phone number via SMS code. Next is to link a payment method. You can link a bank account for free transfers, and a debit card also is free, or credit card, which has a 3% fee. So the step 2 is to initiate a transfer. Open the Venmo app. Tap on pay or request icon, this icon over here, tap on it, and then you have to enter the recipient's username, their phone number or email, and their QR code. So you can enter it. So what I mean by username, like John Doe, phone number or email, if the person is not a Venmo user, they'll be prompted to sign up. And if you use QR code, just simply scan theirs or share your QR code. Then the next thing you're going to do is enter the amount. You enter the amount and add a note. For example, maybe rent for July. The note is actually a description of what the payment is for. Step 3, you have to choose a payment method. We have the Venmo balance, we have the bank account or debit card, and we have credit card. Those are the 3 payment methods that are available. So if you're using the Venmo balance, it is free if you have sufficient funds. If you are using the bank account or debit card, also it is free. But if you're using the credit card, it attracts a $3 for a $100 transfer fee. So the step 4 is to confirm and send it. Just review the details. Please review the details before you tap pay, because once the recipient gets a notification and the funds appears in their Venmo balance, it's not refundable. Now, I'm going to tell you about the transfer options and the fees again, and the speed. Now, if you're using a standard, that is bank or debit transfer, the fee is free. It's free. The speed is about 1 to 3 business days. About 1 to 3 business days for you to get there. If you're using the instant transfer, it's the fee. Yes, it attracts a fee of 1.75% when you're transferring a minimum of $0.25 and a maximum of $25. So between that range. Then the speed is in less than 30 minutes the person gets it. That's why it's called instant transfer. Then the last type we have is a credit card. Now, if you're using a credit card, it attracts 3% of any amount you send as a fee, and the speed is instant. So if you're using a credit card, instantly the person gets it. Now let's look at the key limits. Now, if you're an unverified user, you are limited to $299.99 a week transfer. And if you're a verified user, you can do up to $60,000 per week. If you're using instant transfers, the maximum you can transfer is $5,000 per transaction. Now, if the payment failed, what do you do? Always check to make sure you have sufficient funds or bank account linkage, and then check the recipient's username and email to make sure they're correct. Now, if you mistakenly send to the wrong person, request a refund from that person or contact Venmo support. Let's look at pro tips. If you're using it is advisable to use QR codes for in-person payments, for example, splitting bills. Now, for business transactions, switch to a Venmo business profile. It has 1.9% plus $0.10 fee per sale. Then the next, avoid fees by using standard transfers or your Venmo balance. For international transfers, Venmo does not work. So you use alternatives like Wise or PayPal.